Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so who is coming towards you? Yun ang tanong, and why? So, who is coming towards you and why? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating sa ating mga items. So yes, they're all available. So sa reading po message sa ating mga items and charms, message din po wag sa comment section please. So yes, meron tayong protection from evil eye. So ring, necklace. Ito yung ring natin, this is adjustable, okay? So no need to worry pagdating sa sizes, no? So yan, ito yung ating ring, yung ating necklace. So dito siya, necklace. So, this is unisex, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yung ating dalawang sample ng bracelet. Okay, so isang adjustable and isang garterize. Okay, yung garterize is ganito yung kanyang tawag dyan, pendant. Okay, so ganyan po So, yeah, lahat sila ay unisex. So yung ating bago, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So may money kasi nilagyan na po ng citrine. Okay, may citrine na itong ating bracelet. Okay, so para hindi lang love ang iyong makukuha, ang iyong mamamagnet, kundi pera rin, no? So sino bang may ayaw nun, no? 'Di ba? The best of both worlds. 'Di ba? And syempre, again, kung ikaw ay lalaki at gusto mo naman ito din, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? So, yeah, wala pa akong ganito na pang lalaki So, pwede mo namang ilagay yan. Yeah, charm lang naman siya. Lagay mo sa red pouch at isiksik mo, sa iyong bulsa o kaya sa iyong bag, no? Kung ikaw ay naalis, nagtatrabaho, mga ganyan, may business ka, something like that, no? So, again, pwede ipang regalo, pwedeng ibigay mo kung kanino, pero kailangan ko po nung real name nung pagbibigyan. Kung ikaw ay yes, nasa iyo na to, nakapangalan na sa iyo, hindi mo na to pwedeng ibigay sa iba po, Okay, nasa pangalan nyo na kasi yun. So, may mga nagtatanong rin kasi, oo nga, pwede po bang ibigay ko lang to sa ganto, ganyan? Hindi na po. Kasi sa inyo yung nakapangalan. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. So, again, inyong protektahan ang inyong frequency. Nandoon yung inyong mga minamanifest sa pamamagitan po ng mga evil eye protections. Kung meron kang evil eye protection na, yes, edi mas maganda. No? So, yeah, yung ating granter necklace is taga-grant, again, ng mga minamanifest mo. And tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Yes, surprise. O, diba? Weekly. Saan ka pa? Okay? So, this is unisex. Ito lang po yung ating made to order. Okay? Kasi customize po. Pinapa-customize ko to. Okay? So, non-tarnish po. Yung ating chain. This is 2 years na. Yung aking granter necklace, this is non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. Okay? So, yung last is yung ating pang-taboy, pang-alis, MALAS. Okay? So, para simple na. Para simple na lang yung description ni cord cut, pang-alis, pang-taboy ng mga nagbibigay ng hindi magagandang energy sa inyo. Okay? So, para siyang nagpo-protect. Okay? Para siyang nagtataboy nga ng hindi magagandang energy na parang nagpapabigat sa'yo. Okay? So, yung parang pagising mo sa umaga, ang bigat-bigat na. Diba? Paano ka pakikilos nun? Di po ba? Damay-damay na yon, pera mo. 'Di ba? Trabaho mo. Mga ganung bagay, gawain mo. 'Diba? May ganun, 'di ba? So, yeah, ito siya. Pwede siyang makapagbigay ng help or support, no, pagdating dyan. Pwede po to sa bahay. Ilalagay mo sa front door. Oo, pwede sa business. Ganun rin. Okay? Lagay mo sa table mo kung meron kang work table. Okay? So, yun po, ha? Basta nakikita siya. Hindi nyo po papahawakan, please. Ha? Basta nakikita siya. Okay, napapansin. Parang ganyan. So, yun po, ha. Pwede nyo suot. Actually, pwede nyo suot. Pag nakasuot na sa inyo, okay na yun. Pero kung gagamitin nyo sa bahay, sa business, dapat nakikita siya. Okay? So, there. So, again, kung may tanong pa po, no, message na lang para hindi kayo ma-replyan ng mga scammers sa comment. Okay? Huwag kayo sa comment magme-message. Sa mga nasa YT, oo. Paano po kami magme-message sa inyo? Punta po kayo sa FB page, sa legit FB page. Okay? Puntahan nyo yung pinakamadami pong followers. Okay? Yun tayo. Okay? May mga gumagaya kasi ng ating page. So, yung iba ini-edit pa. Okay, ini-edit yung kanilang bio para lang maitulad sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung aware kayo. Okay, na edited yung bio. Okay? So, maging mapagmatsyag na lang po. Okay, maging mapagmatsyag. So, makikita nyo sa page ko is everyday meron pong video. Ha? Okay? So, yung iba kasing scammers, yeah, tamad sila na lagay ng video. Yung iba sa kanila sineshare lang. Okay, hindi ako nag-share ng sarili kong video sa aking sariling page, ha? Okay. Oo, mga lang yan, mga notes, take down notes. Oo, kasi mahalaga para makaiwas tayo, no, sa mga scammers. Ang dami kasing scammers. Okay? So, let's see, air signs. Air signs starts at 7:25. Air signs, who is coming towards you and why? Okay, let's see. Sino ba tong paparating? Sino tong gustong lumapit sa'yo? At bakit? Tingnan natin, air signs. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody na pwedeng nag-lend ka ng pera. Uy, maganda-ganda yan, no? Bakit? Sana hindi uutang ulit. Sana magbabayad na. Di po ba? Oo. What's with that Four of Pentacles in reversed? Who is this? Could be an earth sign. Yeah, the Emperor. Oo. So, may chance po. Okay? Na kung sino man ito, magko-commit na. Oo, magbibigay, magbabayad, mga ganyang bagay ba? No? So, let's see. Some of you, this could be somebody na pwedeng may anak ka or naanakan ka. May kailangan siyang i-provide. Finance. Okay, this is specific. May chance na pwedeng kadikit ng taong ito is pera. May responsibilidad sa'yo itong taong to pagdating sa pera. So, in general. Okay. So, anong dahilan? Bakit siya lalapit or what? Anong meron? The Knight of Swords. So, this is communication. And the Two of Wands. So, magiging open siya sa'yo. Yes. The Three of Swords in reverse. Kung ano man, pwedeng meron na tong i-fix, meron na tong sasabihin, meron siyang ibibigay, something like that. Okay? So, yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Itong ganitong energy. Para kasing may, magko-commit yung person pagdating sa kung ano man na parang utang niya sa'yo. No? So, there. Hindi ko nababanggitin yung mga tawag dyan. Zodiac sign. This could be any sign, by the way. Okay? So, who else is coming towards our air signs? And why? Kunin ko yun. Oh, sino to? The King of Swords. You want clarity from them. You want clarity from this person. Some of them, they could be working under government. They could be a soldier, a policeman, or woman. Parang ganyan. Okay? Somebody na pwedeng, working under government. Okay? They have this power. Okay? What's with this King of Swords? Somebody na pwedeng sabihin nating a lawyer. Parang ganon. Anyway. King of Swords and the Six of Wands. Okay. So, hinahangaan itong taong to. Kumukuha tayo ng mga description, ha? Na kung sino po itong paparating. Okay? Some of you, there's this, pwedeng hindi ito tao. This could be a good energy or something like a good news. Okay? Pwedeng, magdadala lang ng magandang balita. I don't know, something like a letter. Parang ganyan. What's with this? Bakit? Anong meron? The Six of Swords. The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. The Nine of Swords. This is nice. Air sign. Parehong maganda yung energy na nakukuha ko dito. This is talking about andun yung energy ng promotion. Okay? Some of them, this is like an HR. May magandang balita na ibibigay sa'yo. Some of you. May progress or increment. Increase. Merit. Pagdating sa'yo. Parang lahat is patungkol sa paganda. No? Mabuti. Diba? Mabuti. Oo. So, the Knight of Pentacles is here. May mga pagbabagong mangyayari po pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? So, this is nice. The Nine of Swords in reverse. See, the Ten of Pentacles. I told you, nothing to worry about your finance. Okay, this is a good news coming in. Lalo na po pagdating sa kaperahan. If this is talking about commitments, family, may chance some of you. Itong taong ito is somebody na pwedeng nakikitaan mo na pwede mo siyang makasama forever. This could be somebody proposing. Will propose. Okay? So, ito yung taong pwedeng pinagkakatiwalaan mo in general. Could be romantic. Okay? May chance ng status is going up. Okay? Pwedeng may pagpo-propose na gagawin sa'yo itong taong to. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong preggy, buntis na nanonood, parang ganyan, or pwedeng may anak kayo itong taong to, and they will decide na parang mag-step up na pagdating po sa inyong relationship. Yes, oo. So, lock na natin yan. Kunin nyo yung magandang energy. Ha? So, kung sino man itong paparating sa inyo, yun yung mga dahilan. Anyway, so there. Next, fire signs. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, let's see who's coming towards you and why. Who's coming towards our fire signs? So, Aries, Leo, Sag. Who is this coming towards you? And why? So, tingnan muna natin kung sino to. Sino ito? Fire signs na paparating. The Three of Pentacles. Could be somebody at the workplace. Could be a co-worker. Why? Why? So, anong dahilan? Bakit siya lalapit sa'yo? The Queen of Cups. And the Nine of Swords in reversed. Pwede may dala-dala itong sabihin nating they want na mag-share ng something. Ito pwedeng itong taong ito, sabihin natin parang katrabaho mo, kaklase mo, meron lang siyang gustong i-share, okay, regarding their emotion. Pwedeng mag-share to kasi parang gusto lang niyang mailabas kung ano man, yung mga hinanakit, hinanaing, may rant itong taong to. Fire signs. May rant, oo. Pwedeng may rant itong taong ito. Tingnan natin. I-clarify natin itong Three of Pentacles. Okay. They will express, something emotionally. Okay. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Okay, so, pwede kasing itong taong to, gusto niyang maglabas ng sama ng loob. And ikaw yung makikita niya. Hindi niya yun magawa sa iba. Somebody na pwedeng hindi mo ine-expect na pwedeng kakausapin ka or magsasabi siya o magsashare siya sa'yo ng kung ano man. Okay? So, yes, ang tanong kasi natin, who's coming towards you and why? Okay? So, in general, pwede naman itong mangyari is romantic, casual, mga ganyang bagay. No? So, kung ano makikita natin. Yeah. Ooh, the Four of Cups in reverse. So, siguro kung ano man ang sasabihin or share ng taong to is parang hihingi siya ng opinion from you. Parang ganyan. Kung anong kailangan niyang gawin sa sitwasyon niya, maybe. Okay? And kukunin naman niya yun. Okay? Gagrab niya yun. Kung ano man yung opinion na sasabihin mo sa kanya, open naman siya, I think. I don't know. Maybe this is your friend. A friend wanting ng support from you. Okay? So, there. So, next. Oo. Diba? Ang galing. So, who else is coming towards our fire sign? So, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, sino po ba itong pwedeng lalapit sa iyo? At bakit? Anong dahilan? Okay. Who's coming towards fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Temperance. Could be another Sagittarius, a fellow Sagittarius. Temperance. What's with this Temperance? Page of Swords in reverse. So, I think some of you, this is too specific. Meron kang napapansin sa kanya. Okay? Madalas nakikita mong nakatingin sa'yo to. Across the room. Madalas makikita mo nakatitig sa'yo. Hindi ka pa kinakausap, I don't know. Pero there's this something na parang sa intuition mo may kailangan sa'yo itong taong to or meron siyang kailangang sabihin. May something obvious pagdating sa kanya. Okay? May pagkamatahimik itong taong to, shy type. May ganong energy from them. Okay? Let's see. Lagi mo siya nakikitang nakatingin sa'yo, nahuhuli mo nakatingin sa'yo. Mas specific po yun, ha? So, anong dahilan? Bakit lalapit na? Itong taong to sa'yo, hindi na siya titingin-tingin. Anong dahilan? Okay, the Two of Wands. So, this is opening up. The Two of Wands in reverse. The Star in reverse. Oh! Okay. O, diba? Biglaan lang tayo na ganun. So, hindi niya hahayaan na may masayang. Kasi, alam mo na like, tingin lang ng tingin. Parang yung energy is ayaw niyang may masayang dahil lang sa tingin lang siya ng tingin. So, gagawa na siya ng action. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. This is commitments. They see progress. They see long term. Kung ano man ang meron sa inyo or sa kanya pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Ayaw niyang merong ditong may mangyayaring downfall or hindi mangyari. Meron siyang something na iniiwasang hindi mangyari. Kaya siya ay gagawa na ng kung ano man niya. Justice. Okay? Some of you, May chance na nagkaroon kayo ng arguments, kaya hindi kayo nag-uusap ng taong to. And now, may chance na makipag-ayos. Makikipag-ayos. Maybe, yeah. They're the right one na pwedeng mag-reach out. First to reach out. Uy. May makikipag-ayos. I don't know if this is a past person. Anyway, so there. Next. Water signs. Okay, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see who is coming towards water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes. So, who is this coming towards you? Water signs. Who are they? What is their energy? Energy ng tao na papalapit sa mga water signs. Sino to? Uy, dalawa. Okay. Uy, the King of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. Specific, they're business owner. They're business owner, ang tawag doon, ano daw? Entrep, yan, mga ganyan. Entrepreneur, o diba? Bulol na bulol. Oo, so, yes. Okay, somebody who owns a business. An entrep, some of them. Okay. I think they're like a boss, a leader. Some of them, marami silang minamanage. Okay, marami silang minamanage. So, anong dahilan? Some of you, pwedeng nanay or tatay ito ng anak mo. I'm hearing business proposal. Water signs, I'm hearing business proposal. So, what's with this? Anong dahilan? Bakit siya lalapit sa'yo? The Nine of Swords. I think they're problemado. They are. Why? Why the Nine of Swords? Yeah, they need you. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. They need you. They need your support. They need your opinion. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. They want to communicate. They see you as their support system. Parang ganun. Okay, they need you. Some of them, in general, meron lang silang problema and sa'yo siya hihingi ng advice or suporta, whatsoever. Some of them, this person, sabihin natin may tinatagong interest sa'yo. Ha? Okay, may tinatago silang interest sa'yo. I don't know what interest. Okay, zero interest. Ano yan? Maganda lang yun sa loan. No, tingnan natin. Hi. Okay. So, the Five of Cups. The Lovers in reversed. They need you. This person needs you. In general. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Oh, we have a pair. The King and the Queen of Pentacles. I don't know if this is talking about something na may kailangan kayong pag-usapan, like child support. Child support, para may ma-fix, para may maayos. Or commitments. Maybe. Commitments. Para kasing some of them, nakukonsensya na sila. Ayaw nilang mag-regrets afterwards. Okay? This could be your husband or your wife. Yeah. Gusto nila merong ma-fix the commitments na sinasabi. Whoops! Yeah, see, the Lovers in reverse. Pwede kasing magkahiwalay kayo ngayon nito. Or hindi maganda yung connection ninyo sa ngayon. Yeah, some of them, they miss you. They want to communicate. Or maybe they just want to see your kids. Mga ganyan. Anyway, so who else? is coming towards our water sign? Who's coming towards you, water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Who is coming towards you, water signs? The Knight of Pentacles. Could be an earth sign. Slow. They're slow. I don't know. Pagdating sa action. What's with that Knight of Pentacles? The Three of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi mo to mauutusan. Hindi mo to makukontrol. They're stubborn. Okay? So, anong meron? Some of them, pwedeng, lalapit sa'yo kasi meron silang pabor na hihingin. That's channeled. That is channeled. Let's see. Anong dahilan bakit to lalapit sa'yo? Some of you, this could be your katrabaho na ayaw mong makita. Okay, I'm sorry, pero yeah, some of you inaabangan mo talaga eh, you know, yung love. Okay, let's see. Anong dahilan bakit ito lalapit sa iyo? The King of Wands. Yeah. Meron itong ipapagawa, meron itong ipapautos sa iyo. This is specific. What's with that King of Wands? This is somebody who controls, who commands, ano? Yung King of Wands. Yeah, the Five of Swords. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, mas matalino ka dito sa taong to. Hindi ko alam bakit siya napunta sa ganyang position. Hindi nila alam eh. Okay? And ikaw nakikita niyang, the moon. Ikaw ang nakikita niyang somebody na pwedeng makapagbigay sa kanya ng kasagutan sa kung anumang issue or problemang meron siya. This is a workplace scenario, I think. Masyado kang mabait dito, water sign ha. Ha? Okay, nagagamit ka ng taong to. Nagagamit ka niya. Ni hindi nga to marunong magsabi na, ay, kasi gawa ni water sign eh, kaya nakuha ko tong ganto. Kaya I ended up to this ganto, ganyan. Hindi to marunong magbigay ng credits. I hate this. I hate this. This person. I hate them. Okay? Yeah, masyado kang mabait. Anyway. See? Ayaw mo makita tong taong to. Alam mo yun. It's like every time na makakasalubog mo, iiwas ka na lang eh. No? Parang may ganun siya na energy. Anyway. So, next. Oh my gosh. Next is what? Earth signs. Okay, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see. Who is this coming towards our earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, who is coming towards you? Earth signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Who is coming towards our earth signs? Who is this? The Nine of Swords in reversed. Some of you, hindi mo na masyadong pinagkakaisip tong taong to. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Or hindi mo na kailangan talagang pinag-iisip itong taong to because they always provide negativities pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, the Three of Wands in reversed. May chance na tinalikuran mo na to. So, bakit nandito na naman? Some of you is still attached energetically. Okay? Kailangan mo ng pagdating sa sitwasyon na to. Cord cut. Yes. Ayaw natin yan. So, let's see. Anong dahilan? Bakit siya lalapit? The King of Cups in reversed. That is selfishness. Ang rason ng taong to kung bakit to babalik or bakit to magta-try na mag-reach out or whatsoever is because of selfish reasons. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. Okay. This is through communication like chat. Just chat. Okay. Hindi masyadong ma-effort. Okay. So I'm seeing here this person is so selfish. They just want something from you, I guess. The Three of Swords in reverse. Kahit sino man to. Okay. It's either a past person or something or somebody, I mean, na gusto lang connect sa'yo. Yes, kasi alam nilang meron silang mahihita sa'yo. Yeah, the Magician. They know that you can provide. The Magician, you can provide everything they need. Yeah, this is like a past person energy. Anyway, be careful. Be careful kung meron pong mga talagang bumabalik-balik. No, hindi ko papahabain yan. Ayoko ng ganong energy. So, who else is coming towards you, Earth signs? And why? Who is this? The person or maybe kung sino man nga. Who is this coming towards our Earth signs? The Two of Pentacles. The Juggler. The Juggler. The Two of Pentacles. I think they have options. Yeah, the Knight of Cups in reverse. Somebody who gives you breadcrumbs. Somebody who's giving you hot and cold. Pagdating sa emosyon, yeah, they have options, I guess. The Two of Wands is here. The Sun in reverse. I don't know. Some of you don't know na may ganun pala. Na may option pala. Or could be you're the option. Let's see. So the Juggler is coming towards you. The Juggler. Let's see. Why? Why are they coming? The Queen of Pentacles. They need something. They need you. Hang on. Sandali lang po ha. Okay. So, the reason kung bakit sila lalapit or bakit yan, nandyan na naman. Some of them, they need you. Okay? At ang taong to pwedeng naging sabihin nating lumubog-lumitaw pagdating sa connection. And now, they need you. That is why bumabalik or nandyan na naman. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng sabihin nating they strung you along. Okay? They keep you waiting. Parang ganyan. Or the Queen of Pentacles. They need you in general. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Wala silang, wala silang sabihin nating pwedeng i-offer. Cup of Love. The Queen of Pentacles is somebody who is so open. Okay, sobrang mabait. Napaka-generous. So, nakuha ko nga dito is one-sided connection. Okay? At ang kaya lang ibigay, yeah, see? The Three of Swords. There could be third party involved here. No? So, paaasahin ka na naman ito. Wag mo nang i-entertain if ever. They're a juggler. Unang-unang card. The Two of Pentacles. They're a juggler. They have options. Nakita mo tong taong to na lumubog-lumitaw pagdating sa connection. Walang dahilan kung bakit minsan nawawala na lang ng ilang araw, hindi nagchat-chat whatsoever, no reasons. Parang ganyan eh. They don't love you. Some of you have to know that this person doesn't love you. They don't. Please. Okay? Binigay ko po lahat. Ayan o, Queen of Pentacles. Binigay ko po lahat. Para lang po ako'y mahalin. Hindi natin magagawa na ibigay lahat para lang tayo ay mahalin. Hindi natin yun Please. Ha? Niloloko nyo yung sarili nyo sa ganun. Real talk. Ibibigay ko lahat para ganto, para ganyan. Hindi niya ako iwan, hindi niya ako lokohin. Yung iba sa inyo, alam mo na itong taong to is already committed. And ikaw itong gumagawa ng kahit ano. Okay? Some of you, you're a third party. Tuturo ko talaga. Some of you, third party ka ng taong to. At ikaw ang nagsisilbi niyang ano? Okay? May kanya-kanyang sagot. Comforter. Waiting shade. Pahingahan. Ano pa? Yan ang dahilan kung bakit sila nandyan. This is sad. This is so sad. Okay? They can't offer you love. They can't. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Pakaasahin ka nyan. Okay? Their weapon is your emotion. Their weapon for you is your own emotion. I'm so sorry. Anyway, so there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Goodbye.